First of all, very good morning, sir, everyone, and I would like to watch and explain everything, whatever is going on in front of my eyes, and why did we come here in this hotel at the Dineshpur. This is a location of the Dineshpur, and at the present now I am playing a role of like a news anchor, and I would like to suggest you what was the reason to come here. So as you watch, there are many servants are working, there are many workers are serving the food and making the food non-veg and vegetarian is also, and some a worker is baking the chapati in a tandoor. So we have already enjoyed a lot, and I am going to inside in a hotel. So as you watch, everyone, all of my friends are enjoying with the, because this party is going on. Mr. Rohit Sethi is a owner of this party, and Mr. Rohit sir is this party is going through the Rohit Sethi. So as you watch, he is wearing the yellow t-shirt, and everyone are lost their senses after using the liquors and wines, because we live every moment in every time some of the activities, because almost the time we are enjoying by the working, and some of my friends are not use the non-veg, so some of the vegetarian, some of the non-veg, and we have already empty of the many bottles of the wine, and my friend Mr. Bhandari is using the cigarette, but it is not good for our health, but sometimes we can use, because it is an enjoyment time in our life, and we understand what is the value of our life, value of our enjoyment. So this is a good hotel for someone, and Mr. Ajay Singh Kanchra is standing outside, and he is also eating the rice after enjoying a lot, and everyone are enjoying with the some of the snacks like this. These people are, and Mr. Rohit Sethi is going through this party because he got a good grade, and after Pepsi he don't use the any type liquors, any type drink, and everyone are calling me, sir, why are you not watching my face, and everyone are using enjoy, make fun, because I don't want to forget, I don't want to miss this type of opportunity in my life. So as you watch, I would like to say there are many various type food, and Mr. Hemant is also lost their senses, and as you watch, my all over the friends are using, and Omkar is a good contactor of this hotel. So as you watch, he is a Harda, and my friend Mr. Uncle Navindra Kotlia is also using the secret, and he is a Omkar, he is a owner of this party, not a owner, he is a contactor of this party. He has already booked this hotel for enjoyment. So everyone, after complete our duty, we can hear directly in this hotel at the Dineshpur is located. So we enjoyed a lot, because we don't want to miss this type of opportunity in our life, and everyone, we should enjoy a lot in our life. So as you watch, there are various type food, and salad is also like a cucumber, tomato, onions, and peanuts is also they are using with the beer and some of the bottle. And Shakti is also enjoying a lot. As you watch, Shakti is not a common one, and Mohan is also joined in this company. So how can I forget, and this time moment, so it is a pleasure moment for everyone. So that's why there is no any type of stress, there is no burden on their face, and everyone are enjoying a lot, keep on enjoying. So instead of forget everything, everyone live their life at the present moment, and after using more than more, like a wine and beer bottle is also, they have already lost their senses without anything. They don't want to discuss with anyone. And Mr. Baba Deep Chand is also using the cigarette, but it is not good for our health. But sometimes we should forget everything in our life. And as you watch, everyone are enjoying with the water, with the beer, and there are various, and I also enjoyed a lot with the Pepsi, because I try to avoid, and I never use the wine in my life. So you can read their face, and after using, so I would like to explain everything, whatever comes in my mind. So I have to stand here, so you can watch. We are standing in a queue, and I am, my friend is calling me, so that's why it is my duty to explain everything. So whatever comes in my mind, whatever is going on, and I am watching through my senses, through my eyes, and you can watch, they are making fun to each other. He has already crossed the 45 and 46 air, but they cannot forget their India. They don't want to miss this type of opportunity in their life. So it is a life, because I have already joined in this type groups, and my friend Mr. Ajay Konchra is ready to go to the at home after enjoying the party, because he has some of the urgent calls. That's why he is ready, but we cannot stop anyone, and everyone are enjoying. Mr. Omkar is a big dealer, big contractor of this party, and I have already explained about the Mr. Rohit Sethi is a owner of this party after getting a good, and my good wishes, and from my heart, sir, keep on growing in your life after getting a good amount and good. I'm not able to word notice come in my mind, and everyone are making to each other, making fun to each other, and he is a owner of the hotel. So that's why we have to explain everything. Keep on watching this video. I have already tried my best to explain whatever I am going to see, watch through my senses, and they have already getting a fair. So we should not use the much alcohol in our life, and everyone some of my friends are sitting silently while using the liquor. So I also use the liquor, so I have to join with because I am a non-vegetarian, so I have to join with them, and everyone are enjoying. This party is also standing here for the enjoying is non-vegetarian. They are a vegetarian. They are suggesting me something, so I have to stop the video. Thank you.